Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to be installing a headlight assembly from 1A Auto on our 03 Tundra. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Grab the headlight socket, the plug, and pull it out. There's a 3-prong, and then there's a little metal tab that hooks in there. In this particular one, it's right here. I'm going to start by removing this screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Set it aside. You're going to grab the marker lamp and pull towards you. Sometimes if you need to get a body tool, plastic body tool, and you put it right in there. Pull that out. I'm going to disconnect it because I don't want it dangling on the body paint. Now you're going to get a 10mm socket. You've got 4 mounting bolts. There's a nut here, a bolt there, and then 2 mounting nuts over here. One there and one back there. Just spray them with a little rust penetrating spray. That I don't need to, but the 2 nuts over here I do. Let that sit. Get the top one with the 10mm socket also, or a Phillips, it's an option on that. I'm going to get the 2 over here. So I'm going to try to work this slowly and work it back and forth. Beautiful. Now I'm going to grab it and lift up. And there's the assembly. Here we have our headlamp assembly for our 03 Tundra from 1A Auto. It's got the 4 mounting spots, 2 on this side and 2 on that side. This particular one comes with the headlight bulb. It's clearly marked left side, and it has the headlight adjusters. This is the old one, needed replacement bad, 03, original equipment. So I've got the new headlamp assembly. I'm going to line it up. There we go. So everything lines up now. So you get your 2 mounts here. That one, no, one over here. So I'm going to put the top screw in first, the plastic one. If your vehicle has the rust like this one did, I would say spray it and let it sit a lot longer than I did. Maybe you can work it back and forth so that you can not break the mounting bolt. Okay. Snug that down. Then we have the connector we're going to reconnect. 3-prong. Line it up. You can see. There we go. Sorry. Okay. Click it. Now you reassemble the marker. Put the electrical connector on. And you're going to guide this ear into there, and the top up there, and then the side onto that ear. A lot going on in one little motion. There we go. We originally pulled a plastic screw out for the checking. That's not original equipment. Someone just kind of put that in there. So the original equipment should be a plastic push pin, body style. And there you have it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.